Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter of SS, chapter 9, The Earth, Our Habitat, page number 47. The Earth, Our Habitat. Our habitat means our natural home. This chapter is in a geography section. In this chapter, we will discuss about Earth, solar system, planets, location and shape of the Earth, latitude, longitude, eclipse, etc. So let's start the chapter, The Earth, Our Habitat. Students, although you know that we live on the earth. Either we live in the town, either we live in the village, home, but all are is on the earth. And earth is a member of solar family. What is the solar family? So first of all, let me give you information regarding solar system. What is solar system? The solar system is the collective name of the sun, planets, asteroids, comets, meteors, etc. Our sun is the self-illuminated star of Mandakini galaxy. You can say Milky Way. It is surrounded by many small and big stars. Earth is one such ball. All these are recognized as planets. Due to gravitational force of sun and gravitational force of the planet, all these planets rotate around the sun in a circular form. These planets do not have light of their own. They are illuminated by the light of the sun. Means these planets don't have their own light, although they are illuminated, but they are illuminated by the light of the sun, not their own light. These planets of solar system are of different sizes and forms. All these planets together make solar family or solar system. Thus, planets, satellites, small planets, comets and meteors are included in our solar system. So, understood about solar system? At first, let's know the sun, because sun as the key member of the solar system. Sun, as you know, the sun is a self-illuminated star of the Milky Way, Mandakini galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. It is a vast, luminous sphere of intense heat. In volume, it is about 13 lakh times larger than the Earth. Its gravitational force is about 28 times more than that of the Earth. It is about 15 crore kilometers away from the Earth. Sun rays take only 8¼ minutes to reach the Earth. It completes one full circle on its axis in 25 days. The sun's surface always remains unsteady and restless. There are many igniting solar flares which are many kilometers long and have huge volume and light. These are known as solar flares or solar prominences. The solar atmosphere is composed of hydrogen gas. Due to very high temperature, hydrogen is converted into helium, which generates heat and light, which is called urja or solar energy. The solar energy reaches earth in the form of sun rays. The entire living world thrives only due to solar energy. That is why the sun, also known as the guardian of living organisms. The existence of the entire life system on the earth depends on the energy from the sun. That is why the sun is known as giver of life on earth. There are total 8 planets in solar family, among which Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are inner planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus or Saturn can seen with the naked eyes. Mercury. Mercury is the first of the 4 terrestrial planets. This means it is a planet made mostly of rock. The planets closest to the Sun, Venus, Earth and Mars, are the other 3. Mercury is the smallest of the terrestrial planets. Means Mercury is the smallest planets. It has an iron core that accounts for about 3/4 of its diameter. Most of the rest of the planet is made up of rocky crust. Means 3/4 diameter, it has an iron core. Rest of the planet is made of rocky crust. It is yellowish in color. It does not have atmosphere or satellite. We can see Mercury shortly before sunrise and after sunset for some time in the sky. Venus. Venus is like a twin of the Earth. Why? Because its volume and weight are almost same as that of Earth. It does not have a satellite. Means the volume and weight of Venus and Earth are mostly same. Of all the planets, Venus is one most similar to Earth. In fact, Venus is often called Earth's sister planet, often called Earth's brother planet also, as similar as it is in some ways. However, it is also very different in others. Earth and Venus are similar in size, but the two planets are very close to each other as they orbit the Sun. Because of this, Venus is the most visible planet in the night sky. We all know that the environment on Venus could not support life as Earth does, because our atmosphere is a breathable mix of oxygen and other gases, but the atmosphere on Venus is most carbon dioxide, which is a poisonous gas. Earth. You know that we live on Earth. That is the 3rd planet of the solar system. Our Earth is the only known planet where life exists, making it a very unique planet. The advent of life on Earth is the result of combinations of several factors. Earth is just at the right distance from the Sun to get the required amount of heat and light, neither too much nor too less, that can support life. It is the only planet with an atmosphere that has sufficient amount of oxygen, the gas that the living beings need to breathe to stay alive. Earth has a balanced atmosphere with the right proportion of gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and inert gases. Earth has soil as well as large quantities of water in its oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes, which are necessary for the survival of life. And Earth is 13 lakh times smaller than the Sun and is about 15 crore kilometers away from it. Earth is situated between the planets Venus and Mars. It is not completely round. It is shaped like an orange. Means our Earth is not completely round. It's shaped like an orange shape. It is slightly bulged at the equator and slightly flat at the poles. The Earth moves on its axis as well as around the Sun. Means the Earth moves on its axis as well as it rotates around the Sun. It completes one full circle on its axis in 24 hours. Due to this daily motion of the Earth, day and night occur. The Earth completes one full revolution around the Sun in 365 days, which causes seasons. Atmosphere extends around the Earth up to an altitude of 1800 km. Life-saving gases are found here. Moon is the only satellite of the Earth. It is the nearest celestial body from the Earth. Moon. The Moon is the satellite of the Earth. It is nearest celestial body to the Earth. The Moon takes 29.5 days to complete one rotation on its axis as well as one revolution around the Earth. Because its rotational and revolution time is the same, there is only one side facing the Earth. There is no atmosphere on the Moon. The temperature on the surface of the Moon is more during day and the nights are cool. There are many volcanoes on the Moon. Due to less gravitational force of the Moon, everything becomes lighter in weight. The Sun illuminates the Moon. There is constant meteoritic fall on Moon which has caused large depression on its surface. Due to the absence of hydrosphere and atmosphere, there is no life on the Moon. Mars. Mars lies between the Earth and the Jupiter. It is a red and shining planet. The atmosphere here is very thin. According to the seasons, there is more heat and cold on Mars. Mars has two satellites. Scientists are trying to develop life on Mars. Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a yellowish white planet. It is situated at a great distance from the Sun. So, it can be presumed that the planet might be very cold. When viewed with a telescope, the shape of Jupiter looks round like a full moon and its surface is colorful with red dots. Jupiter is always seen on the horizon. This giant Bhimkai planet has 79 satellites. Saturn. It is situated between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It is bluish in color. There are 3 bright rings of blue color around Saturn. These rings are a special attraction of Saturn. As it is far away from the Sun, its surface temperature is very low. Saturn has more than 62 satellites. It is known as the turban planet. Uranus. As it is far away from the Sun, the bright sun rays on its surface appear like the moonlight. It is an extremely cold planet. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. A telescope is required to see this planet. Neptune. It is a blue-colored cold planet. Its atmosphere contains poisonous methane gas. Seasonal changes like those on the Earth are seen on this planet. It has 8 satellites. The astronomer named Galilei discovered it in 1846. So students, this is our 8 planets. But make sure that you remember the names of the planets according to their location. So for this, you speak this only. What is this? My very excellent mother just served us noodles. Again I repeat, my very excellent mother just served us noodles. So, my, M means Mercury, very, V means Venus, excellent, E means Earth, mother, M means Mars, just, J means Jupiter, served, S means Saturn, us, U means Uranus, noodles, N means Neptune. So this is the easy way by which you can remember the names of the planets according to their location. So students, in this video, today we have discussed about the solar system and the planets. We will continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, I hope you will read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you for watching this video.